Good day, students, and welcome back to Isife EDUBLOG. I am your physics teacher, Stephen Chooks. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic in physics, especially in light, that is the Cove mirrors. But before we continue, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe, share our videos and like. Today we are going to talk about curve mirrors, and we are going to start with types of curve mirrors. We look at features of curve mirrors, we look at the ray diagrams, we do the images formed by curve mirrors, the mirror formula, and then few calculations. For more exercises and past questions and solved past questions in WAEC, JAMB and post-UTME, you check the link down below. So let us start. Okay, welcome back. So what is a curve mirror? A curve mirror is a spherical mirror or a spherical glass that is coated with silver. We have two types of curve mirrors. We have the concave mirror and the convex mirror. Let us take a look at this. This is a concave mirror. A concave mirror is a spherical glass whereby the silver is used to coat the outside. So when you coat the outside of a spherical glass with the silver, the inside becomes the shiny part, which represents the mirror. But when you coat the inside of a spherical glass, the outside becomes the mirror itself. So these are the two types of curve mirrors. We have the concave and the convex mirror. They look like this. Another thing you should know is that the concave mirror is known as the converging mirror, while the convex mirror is known as the diverging mirror. Being converging or diverging mirror represents the way they reflect light that is coming from a particular source. When we take a look at this, we can see the features here. I want to use this diagram to explain the features of curve mirrors. So let us take a look at this. This straight line is called the principal axis. The principal axis is a straight line that passes through the center of a curve mirror. Now, take a look at this point. This point F is called the focal point, or you call it the principal focus. The focal point or the principal focus of a curve mirror is the point on the principal axis where all the lines that are parallel to the principal axis either converges or diverge from. Remember, a concave mirror is called the converging mirror. Hence, when light comes directly and they are parallel to this principal axis, they are going to converge at the principal focus. When we have rays of light parallel to the principal axis, all these lights are going to reflect through the principal axis this way. So that is why we say the principal axis is the point on the principal focus, or the focal point is the point on the principal axis where all the lights parallel to the principal axis converges or diverge from. So why do we call a concave mirror a converging mirror? You can take a look at this diagram here. It is called a converging mirror because when light shines on it, they converge at a point, which means all the light reflects to a point. Why is a convex mirror called a diverging mirror? Because convex mirrors, they scatter light, they diverge light. So when you have rays of light parallel to the principal axis, just as we have in the concave mirror, what is going to happen here is that they are not going to converge, because the focal point of the convex mirror is now inside the mirror and not outside. Sorry, it's inside or behind the mirror, not like the concave mirror whereby the focal point is in front of the mirror. So what will happen here is that these lights are going to diverge. But they don't just diverge anyhow. They must diverge through a point. And that point is the principal focus again. So when we have this is going to reflect like this. This is going to reflect this way. This is going to reflect this way. And this will reflect this way. So you can see the reason why convex mirror is called the diverging mirror. They spread light. Another thing in one of the features of curve mirrors we are going to take a look at is the center of curvature. The center of curvature of a curve mirror is the center of the spherical glass which is used in producing the curve mirror. Another point is this point. It is called the pole, P. The pole of a curve mirror is the point where the principal axis cuts the curve mirror. And we'll take a look at the focal length. What is the focal length of a curve mirror? The focal length is the distance between the focal point and the pole. So the focal length of this curve mirror here is from this point to this point. And finally, we talk about the radius of curvature. The radius of curvature of a curve mirror is the distance between the center of curvature and the pole. That means from this point to this point is called the radius of curvature. It is very important that we note that the relationship between the radius of curvature of a curve mirror and the focal point, the focal length is giving us radius of curvature equals to 2 times the focal length. Or we say the focal length is going to give us the radius of curvature divided by 2. So in future, when we start to do calculations under curve mirrors, they can give us the radius of curvature and we need the focal point. We just divide the radius of curvature by 2 and get the focal point. Thank you very much.